Hello everyone, in this video I will show you what the Alligator Indicator is and how to choose entry points to trade using it. Be sure to watch this video to the end. Perhaps this video will be useful for you and you will be able to trade and make money with this tool. And in my closed Telegram channel, you can get profitable trading signals. To be added to it, message me the code word team to my private messages in Telegram. You will find my Telegram nickname in the pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment and press the bell. And now let's find the first entry point. So to add this indicator, I click on this button and click on the alligator. Now I have three moving averages of different colors on my chart. They are usually called from top to bottom the jaw, teeth, and the lips of the alligator. But so that we don't get confused in these names, I will name them by color. Most of all, we will be interested in the green moving average and the location of this line relative to the other two. As you can see, after a small flat, the price goes down again. In this case, the green moving average crosses the other two lines from top to bottom. This is considered a sell signal. Before that, the price was moving flat. The moving averages of the indicator are intertwined with each other, and in this case, the indicator is not informative. So let's find the first entry point and you will better understand how this indicator works. As you can see, we have a bearish trend in the market right now. Each new high in the market turned out to be lower than the previous one. The green moving average of alligator moved below the other lines, and after the pullback went lower again. And the distance between all the lines is quite large. It points to a continuation of the trend. That's why I open a trade for a fall. As you can see, the price is going down more and more, and the moving averages of the alligator are moving further away from each other. Thus, we make a profit from the first trade. The price trade from the marked resistance level, and the next time it didn't get to it a little bit and showed the correction again. Then it tested the level again, and then the green moving average of the indicator crossed the other two lines from top to bottom. This indicates a change in the upward movement. The price showed a strong drop. Since the support level is located below, to which the price can freely decrease, I suggest we make money on the price movement to the level. As you can see, we didn't manage to take a strong move, but there was a slight decrease on the chart during this time, and our trade closed in plus. So let's see what happens in the market next. A new low formed above the support level, and since the green moving average of the indicator is also located below the other lines, which indicates a continuation of the trend, I will open a trade for a fall for 1 minute. As you can see, the price didn't touch the support level, and although it was not the best entry in the trade, but we managed to make money on this fall. Now let's choose the next market case. The price, after moving in a bullish trend, entered a sideways trend. We see confirmation of this on the alligator. While the price is moving flat, the moving averages are often intertwined with each other. In such a case, you can select an entry point based on the indicator. Since the green moving average crosses the other two lines from bottom to top, I open a trade for a price raise. As you can see, the last minimum formed above the lower limit of the sideways trend, and now the price is moving towards the upper limit. As a result, the price almost reaches the upper limit of the sideways trend, and our trade closes in plus. The moving averages continued to move up and moved further apart from each other. This indicates that the price will continue to rise. As we see further, the price still touched the upper limit of the sideways trend, and in another case, we would expect the chart to move towards the lower limit, but now we see from the indicator that the price wants to continue its growth. This is indicated by the green moving average located above the other lines and their great distance from each other. Therefore, on breaking through this level, I can open a trade for a price raise. As you can see, the price updated the maximum and began to adjust, but we managed to close above the entry point. Thanks to the indicator, we were able to choose a good position and make money. Now let's find the next position. The price was moving in an uptrend. After the formation of the maximum, the chart began to decline. At the same time, as you can see, the green moving average crossed the yellow and red lines from top to bottom. This indicates a price reversal. Therefore, I will open a trade for a fall, as the price may continue to fall to the last minimum on the chart. As you can see, the price began to slow down, so we were able to take only a small downward movement and made a profit. After trading under the resistance level, the price broke through it and moved in a flat near this level for about 20 minutes. Then it bought off with an impulse, forming a new maximum much higher than the previous one. Then there was a level test and the price wants to go up again. I opened a trade for a raise for $1,000 since on the indicator, the green moving average crossed the other two lines from the bottom up, which indicates the continuation of the upward movement. In a minute, the price goes a little higher and we get a profit. We have already increased the initial deposit really well, so I think a couple more trades will be enough. So I suggest we choose the next entry point. Here we had a long bullish trend and the green moving average accordingly moved above the rest of the lines all the time. Then a correction occurred when the green line of the indicator was at the bottom and now it crossed the other two lines from the bottom up again, which tells us about the resumption of the trend. So I opened a trade for a raise for $2,000. As you can see, the price continued to move up and also the moving averages moved further apart from each other. Thus, we made a profit from this trade. Now let's choose the next entry point. The price is moving in a downtrend. It moved flat for a while and then began to decline again. As you can see, the green moving average goes below the other lines and they all move further away from each other. I think this is a good moment to make money on this fall. So the price updated its minimum and this trade brings us profit. My deposit is already over $6,000, so I'll fix my profit and leave the market. As you can see, you can successfully trade and make money with this indicator. I hope it became clear to you how to choose entry points using the Alligator indicator, but it's necessary to take into account the market trends and rely on other technical analysis tools, for example, support and resistance levels, and open trades based on several factors at once and not just on this indicator. Only in this case will you get a good entry point and will be able to make a profit. I hope this video turned out to be useful for you and you like this way of trading. Well, if you want to receive profitable trading signals from me, send me a code word team to my private messages in Telegram and I will add you to my closed Telegram channel where you can make money with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment and press the bell. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.